In today's tutorial, we're learning how to grab elements from brands, including colors and logos, very fast in Canva in just a few simple clicks. You can do it for any brand that is available online. Starting from a blank slide. Now, if you want to get that specific brand, you can go to the app section on the left, and here you can type in the word Brandfetch. This is an application. If you click it, it will install. And here you can type in the name or the URL of any brand that you want to use. There's a few existing ones, but let's say, for example, we want to use McDonald's. You can type in McDonald's, click on McDonald's, and this will give you the elements of that brand that it can find. For example, we have the McDonald's logo with a transparent background. We also have it in white, but we also have the colors tab. So there's a colors tab that you could use to get inspiration for the brand colors. So let's fill this to full screen, position, send to back, go to the tab again, and now we can add the different icons and logo templates that are available for that brand. So if you want to get any brand colors, you can easily do that. Let's try another one. So for example, we do a different brand, Starbucks. This also gives you the logos, mostly also the negative logos and the colors. So let's put a color in place, send it to the background, go to logos, and then insert one of the existing logos. So you can see it instantly looks quite professional and clean, and you can get the accurate colors of the brand. You can also get the logos of the brand if you want. And in some cases, you also have this images tab where you can add images from the website. So let's, in this case, reduce the color. Let's maybe just use a color from the picture. So color picker, that's easier to work with. And then the image, we can increase it in size. Now let's grab that Starbucks logo from the back. Let's put it up front, drag it to the top. And this way you can instantly create like a professional looking slide with all the elements that you want from the brand. If you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to drop a follow and watch the video on the screen right now.